Dum, dum, dum. So yeah, if you are doing the any Duke University courses like the Java programming course on Coursera, if you go to Duke University home, I think these are all the courses I am talking about except the first one, that is JavaScript. So yeah, if you are doing any Java programming course and if you actually do the course, they will ask you to download a special version of BlueJ, that is BlueJ 411 with their special, they say it's special. Okay, let me show you. So if you go to any course, it will say it will say download the BlueJ course is Coursera specific version. Okay, it keeps saying that, it keeps saying, where is that line? Custom version of BlueJ. Okay, here it is. It says that you require the custom version of BlueJ, and if you go ahead and download this one, I tried this one as I showed in the earlier video, it was running absolutely fine. But if you try to install this one, you get a lot of error. Let me see if I can find the error. Yeah, I can't find the error. I'll just link the previous video where I tried and failed horribly trying to fix the, hold on. Oh yeah, here it is. I found it. So you get this error. If you just start the application, it won't show anything. But if you run it via terminal, you get this error. And as I showed in earlier videos, I tried to fix it a lot of ways, trying to install it via Wine or something. But what I didn't try was using the course file to run the application in another IDE. And the reason I didn't try it, because it felt like, however, the way that they were actually teaching the course, the way they were compiling, it's so ridiculous. It's absolutely a joke that you have to right click and compile and then a new object is created. You know what? Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, I think you can see in the background, but let me show you. So this is the first course. If I right click on it, so to run it, I have to first click on right click compile, then I have to make an instance, then I have to create it, and then I have to select a particular method. This is absolutely ridiculous. It is very confusing for new people. And seeing this, I actually thought that maybe, you know what is wrong? Maybe they have implemented this stupidity in by their own. That is what I thought, that they actually went ahead and they implemented this crappy GUI version of files that was no one asked for. I don't know why they did it. I thought that, and that's why I didn't even actually, try to go into that way. But here is the thing. If you go ahead and try to download it, it's the 4.11 version. But if you just go to BlueJ's own website, bluej.org, and if you go ahead and download the Ubuntu version, as you can see, it is the 5.10 version. So here is what I did. You know what? Let me uninstall the previous version and let me show you what I did. And you know what? I'm not going to show every step of it. It is not that difficult. You basically download this BlueJ, the Ubuntu version. It is, even though it is the 5.10 version, 5.10 version, it will still work. Okay. And if you have a 32-bit version, download this one, the 4.1.4. So is this the version that they were telling to download? 4.14? No, it was 4.11. Anyways, so once you download and install it, it installs automatically. There is no issue. And any Java version works. Honestly, any Java version works. Okay. So if you say, they say that it should be Java 8 ADK should be more than 1.8, but I tried it with multiple ones. Any Java, any JDK works. It's not an issue, and I think they also have an installation path to install the Java. I don't go into such complexity. You are at a, initial stage of programming, and you shouldn't be wasting your time in it. So yeah, what you should do, however, is if you open the, let's say you have this course, JavaScript, not JavaScript, you have this course, you go to download BlueJ environment, you scroll down, and here you will see there are two packages, edu.duke and org.apache.commons.csv. So if you download the edu.duke file, it is actually a jar compressed file, as you can see. And if you open the file, it has an edu folder and a duke package and all the Java file that you actually require in the course. So I'm assuming that you must have done at least the first course. So you know what, let me just explain it. It's not that difficult. So the first line, the second line, as you see, it is importing the java.io.file. So the JDK you downloaded, it has this particular file in the JDK. Maybe I can show you. Hold on. So yeah, now what I was trying to say. So you see how you imported the java.io.file. Now the java.io.file is actually located in your wherever your Java virtual machine is, whichever you downloaded, in the JRE folder, in the lib folder. It's rt.jar. If you open this, this is actually an archive, and you see this Java package. So this is, and the subfolder that you see here, this is actually what you include. So if you see java.util, once you put that line include java.util.star, it will include all the files in this. See, and these are all the class files. For my example, I think I selected java.io.file. So if I go to java io, and there is a name file.class. So this is the actual file that I included in my program. So I didn't have to implement this code. So in a similar way, in exactly the similar way, if you download the Coursera Java file, if you download this file, where is it? If you download this edu.duke file, it will download the Coursera Java. As you can see in the bottom right corner here, if you see, it's the Coursera java.jar file. So if you download that file, and if you open it, you will see that it has edu duke, and it has everything and all that. Now, to how to use it, you first extract it. So if you extract it, you get the edu duke package, and these are actually all the file that you basically need to complete all this course. So how will you use it? Let's say I have to do a particular course. Let's say I have to do where is it? Let's say if I have to do the project resources, if I have to do this hello world, so I will download the hello.zip and I will extract it here. Okay, I will extract it here. Did it not download enough? Always extract in a folder, man. Let's do it once more. It keeps everything fresh. New folder, hello. Okay, now you have that hello folder here. Sorry, if you downloaded the hello, now you have the hello. Where is? Okay, I'm rushing. Let me try it again. Why is there nothing here? Because I canceled the operation, that's why. And okay, I didn't select. Give me a moment. I created the file. Now I click extract. Okay, so we have the files in hello now. Yeah, so this is what you downloaded as your first course, and here are a lot of package. Now if you go into BlueJ, and if you actually open a project and you actually open the hello folder, you see what will happen if you try to compile it, if you try to run it. Okay, you see the error, import edu.duke.e, and this is the only line that is important for all the course. So what you do, you just include this file, you make a copy of the edu file, you come here and you paste it here and you close it and you try to compile it again. Compile again. Do I have to restart? Open project, hello, open, compile. It compiled, and if I do a new hello as it is said, and if I run this, hey, so that is the basic thing. So I hope it is clear what you have to do. In short, first download the download the 5.1.0 BlueJ version from BlueJ's official site, that is bluej.org. You do not need the older version. Okay, if you open that site, where is the site? And you suddenly decided to open in Firefox. Anyways, so if you download the version from here and you download whichever course you are doing, just go to whichever course you are doing and you go to download BlueJ environment and you go below and download this edu.duke package that will give you a jar file. Now that jar file is a complete package, and if you extract that jar file you will get this edu and duke folder. You keep a copy of this hanging around, and whichever course you do, you just paste the edu file here. Okay, that's all you have to do, and everything from then on will start working as they are actually teaching you. Now you can do it in other IDEs. I will not suggest that. I will not suggest you move away from the IDE that you are actually being taught in. Okay, that is very important, because those are the people that are going to help you in that IDE. If you are in a job, stick with the IDE. The other people can help you with. If you're doing a course, stick with the IDE. The person in front of you is teaching you. Okay, once you have learned everything, you can pick whatever you want. That's all. Thank you.